Do you remember last week's AI webinar? AI Made Easy. It was a whirlwind of productivity hacks and life simplifying strategies, along with some stories along the way. We showed you in the last webinar the keys to find your ideal client. You want them to know you, you want them to like you, and you want them to trust you. And guess what? You missed out on some mind-blowing technique and strategies that were only shown on the live webinar. All of that, y'all, from what you put in, you see this? So we're diving deeper in the next AI Made Easy podcasting, but really basics about how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT. We talk more in Podcasting Made Simple about images. I went in depth about that because sometimes you just don't have the images to image of a woman. Okay, this is your chance to turn AI from a buzzword to a game changer for you, your business. So don't miss out on this exclusive webinar coming up February 8th, 12 p.m., 6 p.m. AI Made Easy. Level up your AI and unlock the true potential of AI in your life, in your business. So register now. Name down below will remind you of the time. And for signing up, you'll get an exclusive resource to help you know more about AI, so you're ready to go into the webinar with some information. Sign up now, and I'll see you inside live.